I thought I'd make a video on question 15 because I think some people might want a refresher on how to write the equation of a line since we haven't actually covered that in class yet. So, what we can do is determine the slope right away. So we go down 2 and over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the slope of this line is negative 2/5. Because we went down 2, so it's negative 2, to the right 5, so it's a positive 5. Now we can take any point on this line and plug it into the equation y equals mx plus b, where our m is negative 2/5. I'm not 100% sure what this point is. I would guess that it was negative 6 1/2, but I can see that this one is actually on the grid, so I'm going to use this point instead. So our x is equal to a negative 1, and our y is equal to a negative 2. So now I'm going to solve for b. So I have negative 2 equals 2/5 plus b, and negative 2 minus 2/5 equals b. Now negative 2 is negative 10/5, so we end up with minus 12/5 for b. So now we can write the equation for the first line. So f of x is going to be equal to negative 2/5. That's a terrible 5. Let me fix that. Negative 2/5 x minus 12/5. So for the next equation, it's just a constant. So we don't have to figure out any slope. We don't have to figure out what b is or anything. So it looks like x is equal to, y is equal to a negative 3. And for the last one, we can practice writing the equation of a line again. So we go over 1, 2, 3, 4, and up 1, 2, 3, 4. So over 4 and up 4, we get m equals 4 over 4, or m equals 1. Now we have to find the y-intercept. Now you can do this using algebra, and I will do that in a moment, but you can also use it you can continue the line down, and you can see that it's going to cross through negative 6. So we should get a b of negative 6. But just for practice, I'm going to do algebra. So you get y equals 1x plus b. We have to figure out what b is. So I'm going to plug in any of these points that I want to. I'm going to do 6, 0. 1 times 6 is 6 plus b. So we do get b equal to a negative 6. So our equation is going to be x minus 6.